Hi, can you see me? I know you can. Hello. Hello. Hi. Hey guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are not talking about physics or governmental laws. Nope. I am talking about those sneaky written laws of the life. Well, you know, the ones that prove the universe has jokes on us, like Murphy's Law. We have been getting to see a lot of reels on these laws. So I thought of why not I check out other laws which are made by the world or probably the people like us, the chromosomes combined. I mean, yeah, I would love to. I love to explore only the laws and the unexplored stuff. Don't get me wrong. But without any further ado, let's get started. Since I started with Murphy's Law, let's start with it. I mean, I believe this law is completely for the Gen Zs because we Gen Zs are so pessimistic about life, up like even me, because it states that anything that can go wrong will definitely go wrong. Example, you carefully carry your coffee, all right, to your desk and avoiding every obstacle present and then trip over it in the air. Then your pen stops working. You're only during an exam and never when you're doodling something, sketching something, making something for your crush. All right. So the second law, Parkinson's law. It states that work expands to fill the time available. For example, the teacher said that assignment deadline is suppose in 2 weeks. And then all the students along with me, I said that chill, there's plenty of time. And also on the day 13 at 11:59 p.m., I type it like a professional data entry operator. I mean, you can totally agree to this, like the students who are still doing assignments. I mean, all the students are busy doing their assignments, and we are so lazy sometimes that we think that let's just do it day before, the deadline, and then we panic. We are like, kya hoga? How will it happen? How can we do it? And now the third law, law of probability. Well, this law is a law that we agree to the core. You know why? Let's know it. So it states that the more you want it, the less chance it happens. What does it mean? I'm giving you one example. So you're waiting for that one particular special text, and then you're staring at your phone constantly, from going to the washroom to the kitchen to the bedroom to the timetable, everything you're watching. Okay. And then nothing happens. But the moment you put it down to go to the washroom or to go somewhere, this happens, and then you miss it. Number 4, Finagle's law. So it states if something can go wrong, it will definitely happen at the worst time. This is like the brother of Murphy's law. It just gets worse. For example, works fine all day, but the second your teacher says, Sneha, unmute your mic and answer, your internet decides to become a potato. Like, what? It happened to me. I still remember it was in the year 2020 when COVID started, and I was in class 8. All the teachers were like, am I audible? Am I audible? And then the moment they ask a question, everybody used this particular law. Yes, as an excuse. Now, the next law, Gilbert's law. This law is a law that is applicable to all the students, those who have Indian parents. I mean, you know why? Because this law states that the biggest problem at the work is the boss. It means, I'm giving you one example. Let's suppose the boss walks in exactly when you're on your break, but never when you're actually working hard. Like, it's suspicious, right? I mean, while we are studying, our parents never dare to just look at us for a while. I mean, they're never like, let's just go to, my child room, or like go to my children room and then see if they're studying. But the moment we just like literally take the phone On my hand and on our hand, the parents or my parent legit walks into my room and they're like, you know what? You're not blaming us. You will be the one to blame. And you're not giving excuses to us. You're giving excuses to yourself. So please. I'm like, what? I've been studying continuously for 1 to 2 to 3 to 4 hours, and then the lady walks in, or then the gentleman walks in, and then they started putting allegations like they're police. Gilbert's Law. Definitely a Gilbert's Law. Number fifth and the last one we have is the law of spilled food. So, what is that? I mean, is that even a law? The chances of dropping food are directly proportional to how clean your clothes are. For example, I still remember my cousin. I do not want to name, but she will get to know when I'll start talking. She's very clumsy, and sometimes, when not sometimes, most of the time, when she's wearing cute clothes, kawaii, and the cloth is white, okay, then the chances of spilling food is this level. Now I'm giving you an example. Wear a white shirt and then it equals to the instant ketchup attack. Then wear a black shirt, nothing happens. I mean, universe be trolling us, right? So yeah, I mean, I just thought of bringing out this particular law. I mean, I just love to, get into some laws like this, even though it's not made by the universe, it's definitely made by the people. And I am amused like how related we are, even though we have got different life, different situation, but certain laws really reside in us. I mean, it just comes to one table. So yeah, I mean, these are the real laws of life, unofficial, unstoppable, and unfortunately way too relatable. So which one is your life story? I mean, the missing sock, the ketchup one shirt law, or anything, let me know in the comment below. And wait, don't forget, according to Murphy's Law, if you don't like and subscribe right now, the YouTube algorithm will make sure you never find this channel again. It will haunt you forever. So, yeah, till my next video, stay tuned. I will be bringing out some weird videos with weird concepts, and sometimes about, I'm thinking of bringing um you know like videos related to books, what I have read and what I'm trying to read, or like all kind of genre I have read regarding books, of course. So yeah, stay tuned, and I hope you guys are great, amazing. Thank you for all the people who liked my video, last video, and also subscribed. You're the best. Bye.